The sounds of sirens and probably bulldozers. This house was recently cleared. It actually caught on fire. Then these were all Section 8 homes, I believe, and the people were kicked out so that they could build a McMansion like this. And now there's another home. I can hear the sounds of the bulldozers. So we're gonna go see what other modest home in our neighborhood is getting torn down to make way for a McMansion. And these homes were all, primarily Hispanic families. I was thinking about it, they're hiring Hispanic workers to tear down homes that Hispanic families lived in. If that's not class warfare, I don't know what is. Yeah, these are all empty now, waiting to be torn down, I assume. Or, flipped, renovated, like this one looks like it was flipped and sold. New paint job. And holy shit, look at this fucking house. I didn't even see this one. Huge home built, towering above the rest of the houses. They actually didn't kick these families out yet. Another one gone here. I used to work with a woman who lived in that home. She had a family. They just tore that down.
136 flat.
Construction going on over there. That's that new monster home. Oh, another demo notice. Cool. It's out of control. It's like living in a war zone. I can hear we're getting close to another demo. Up, here we go. Nothing wrong with that house. Yeah, another one bites the dust. Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
They crushed a water pipe over off of Silverdale.
Got to make more room for the rich, right, Grant? Yeah. Make some more McMansions in here.
We all cash out. We sell and go somewhere we want to live and let them all have it, man.
Yeah.
We know who won.
Huh?
Did Celia win or did Kurt win?
I believe Kurt. Last night they called it for Kirk.
Sorry?
Last night they called it for Kirk. Hey, Celia's directly behind all this shit, dude.
Well, so is he.
I know. Yeah.
He supposedly, my understanding is he and Adler had it.
My view on it was that either way we're gonna get fucked, basically.
Yeah, I know. Me too. That's what
Yeah.
I agree. I kind of wanted Celia only because I just wanted a woman for once, but you know what?
Dude, her and Mortate are in bed together, man. It's.
I don't keep up with Mortate. Bonnie knows him really well. Bonnie
Yeah.
knows Dawn really well, and both of them actually. She can tell you everything you want to know about him. She talks to him all the time because she does work.